Welcome home. I am delighted to be your guide today. Please, allow me to show you around and highlight the exquisite features of this beautiful apartment. Step into this stylish entrance foyer, where the golden accents, abstract art, and large mirrors set the tone for the elegance that follows. Flowing naturally into the dining area, we find an intimate space featuring a striking 8-seater table, illuminated by a modern chandelier, perfect for gathering family. Step out onto the expansive L-shaped terrace. Here, you have a dedicated lounge area with a swing chair, offering the perfect spot to enjoy the fresh air and sea views. Moving along the terrace, you can see how it wraps around, connecting directly to the kitchen window, creating a seamless blend between indoor cooking and outdoor living. Inside the bright, modern kitchen, you'll love the central island with its marble look finish. It is fully equipped with integrated appliances and bathed in natural light. The heart of the home is this elegant lounge. Notice the symmetrical marble TV wall and twin sofas, designed for both luxurious hosting and quiet relaxation. Let's explore the private quarters. This transitional corridor, decorated with a gallery wall of black and white art, leads us peacefully to the sleeping suites. First, we enter the Grand Master Suite through this dedicated dressing corridor, featuring built-in floor-to-ceiling wardrobes and soft, vanity lighting. The en-suite master bathroom is a sanctuary. It boasts a jacuzzi tub, double vanity sinks, and gold fittings, all framed by a stunning city view. And here is the master bedroom itself. Warm, neutral tones, a padded headboard, and a cozy corner chair create a truly restful retreat for the owners. Heading back out into the hallway, we make our way to the second suite. This second suite features its own compact, yet highly practical walk-in closet, ensuring plenty of storage space for family members or guests. Attached is this sleek bathroom, finished with a marble vanity and a bathtub with a glass shower screen, combining style with functionality. The second bedroom is designed as a minimalist haven, featuring a floating desk workspace, dark wood flooring, and large windows for natural light. Let's return to the main living area to see the final convenience features. Discreetly tucked away here is a utility niche, perfectly sized for a washer and dryer or extra storage, keeping the rest of the home clutter-free. Conveniently located for guests, this charming powder room features a light green vanity and botanical wallpaper, adding a lovely touch of nature. Thank you for joining this tour. This apartment offers the perfect blend of luxury and comfort. We look forward to welcoming you here soon.